Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on keyboard and mouse. First, ensure your keyboard and mouse are properly connected to your personal computer. Once in the game, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you will confirm that keyboard is selected as your input method. Take a moment to review the default key assignments for acceleration, braking, and steering. Understanding these initial controls is your first step to mastering the open road with precision. Now, let's customize your controls for a truly personalized experience. Head into the Controller Settings menu, even though you are using a keyboard. This is where you can remap keys for all your driving actions, like acceleration, braking, and steering. Don't forget to assign crucial functions, such as the e-brake and horn, to keys that feel natural and easy to reach. Experimenting with different layouts will help you discover the most comfortable and effective setup for your playstyle. Mastering driving techniques with a keyboard and mouse requires a bit of practice. Instead of holding down keys, try feathering the throttle and brake with quick, light presses for smoother acceleration and deceleration. For steering, use short, precise key taps to make small adjustments rather than holding the key down. This allows for much finer control. Learning to quickly countersteer will also help you recover from slides, keeping your car on track and your races competitive. Finally, let's dive into some advanced settings to fine-tune your experience. Within the control options, look for settings like steering linearity and dead zones. Adjusting these can significantly improve how responsive your vehicle feels to your keyboard inputs. While force feedback is primarily for wheels, some settings might still impact keyboard feel, so explore them. Don't forget to experiment with camera settings for optimal visibility. Once you've found your perfect setup, save your custom profile to ensure consistent gameplay every time you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.